too long word to read? How will you read? We break it into parts and then we read it. Yes, this process is called as syllables. Hi, I am Tanvi Shah and we are at Young Roots. We are learning phonics. With help of phonics, we are reading, writing and also spelling our words correctly. So today we are going to talk about syllables. Syllables are where we divide the word into small parts for better reading with accurate pronunciation. Yes, syllables have one vowel in their part. Each syllable have one vowel. So whenever you break the word into syllables, so each syllable should have a vowel or a vowel sound. So when I say it should have a vowel or a vowel sound, I mean the short vowel and long vowel. What are short vowels and long vowels? We've already done A, E, I, O, U and A, E, O, right? So they should have the vowel or the vowel sounds in the syllable. Then only you can divide them into different syllables. One word will have one syllable. For example, I. So I, it's a one syllable word. So it is necessary in every word there will be one syllable is necessary. So each and every word will have one syllable or more than one syllables. Right. So basic rule in this, I could say that whenever you divide them into syllables, each syllable should have a vowel or a vowel sound, right? So whenever you divide or whenever you see, you can use two methods, or else the clapping method, or put your hand down the chin and see how many times the chin touches your hand. For example, elephant. Elephant. So it touched 3 times. Or else you can do elephant. You're clapping 3 times. So these are the 2 methods to understand that a word will have how many syllables. So this is what are syllables and how you can divide them into different syllables. Why it is important to divide the word into syllables? Why it is important? Because when you're reading or when you're just into your first or second standard, that time the word will increase. You will have 7-8 letter word. How will you read and how will you have the correct pronunciation? Yes. So in that case, you will have to divide the word into proper syllables and understand whether it is a long vowel sound or a short vowel sound in that particular syllable. Once you understand and once you break them and then you read it, you will get it an accurate pronunciation. So it's very important to understand how do we divide the word into different syllables. And one more thing before we start, there are various different types of syllables. So we are going to cover in our next videos the types of syllables which are there. Open, closed syllables, R controller, double consonants. So there are various syllables which one should understand. This will help them to divide the word into various syllables. So keep following our channel for the next video of types of syllables which we have.